Jess Kanamorthy, Group Director of BRE. I think really the original involvement came about from the visit by the Vice Premier, Li Keqiang, or who is now the Premier. And from that meeting, there was a really good discussion about how UK can support China and also vice versa. It's a two-way partnership and two-way knowledge exchange. And really from that visit, we were introduced to Franshen, one of the leading state-owned developers in China, to really explore how we can support and work together on projects in China initially, but hopefully to take that to UK and Europe and rest of the world.
I'm Li Rong, and I'm from Franshen Properties of China. And as a real estate company, we do projects all over China. And green strategies, that's the most core strategy of the whole company's development. So we bring that aspects into all the development of our company. So, and this project, the Meixi Eco City Exhibition Center, is really a special project because first of all, we are doing an eco city project that's officially approved by the government, and this building will be the exhibition center for the whole area, which is the iconic building of the whole site. And everybody coming to the eco city, will be first to see this building, and they will go to the building and see the whole planning, and also the ambition of Franshen will also be exhibited in a space. So it's really a special project. And also we're going to achieve the BREEAM Outstanding because we're cooperating with the BRE and also many UK, British companies. So we'll have suppliers and designers, all of the whole design team is from the UK. So it's really a special project.
I'm Simon Doody. I'm a partner with Field & Clegg Bradley Studios. We're based in London and Bath, and we've been working on this project for the last 3 months in earnest, but have been following it for the last 8 months. We are the lead designers and we're also the lead consultant in the UK, so we're running the design team for the project, which involves regular meetings in London, but also our meetings out in China, which we try to attend once a month.
I'm Jiang Gu from EcoInter Limited, based in Beijing, and we are project manager of this project. We provide project management services. We are also BREEAM assessor and China's Green Building Ratings 2 or 3-star assessor for this project as well. And this project is really a very exciting project because it's very, very unusual to find a project in China or across the world. We can get one of the best architects, engineers, and the client work together right from the beginning. And we can also involve the LDI, Local Design Institute in China, to work with the whole design team right from the beginning as well. I think as to the key concept of sustainability, it's very important to have input from both of the architects and engineers and also consultants, because we need to carry out green building assessment as well.
I'm Zhang Hongru from China. My company is an architectural design institute company, which is a branch company of SRIPS. That's Shanghai Research Institute of Building Sciences. And I feel very happy to come here again after 10 years, because 10 years ago, some Chinese, I can say, pilot engineers and architects came to here to learn how to design and build green buildings. So we visited the Integer House and also the famous office, this one, and we learned much. Then just after we went back to China, we also started to research, and we also built a demonstration building, and that's the first green building in China. And after that, China began to improve green building standard, policies, principles, and nowadays there are hundreds of green buildings in China now. So we come back again to improve a wonderful new project in Hunan province in China. And this time, I feel glory to cooperate with BRE and also learning to work out a new version of Chinese green building. And at the same time, it will reach the BREEAM to outstanding. So that's a big challenge and also a big chance to improve our techniques and methodologies in green building design.
Well, my name is Henry Woon, and I'm a senior engineer, design engineer for working for Atelier 10. We have been working on a lot of the passive strategy for the building, like making sure the building facade design, the shading, and the daylight level is all actually being designed to an optimum level. And also we established active energy strategy for the building as well, like how do we actually provide the heating and cooling in a very energy efficient way. We have some quite interesting lighting idea as well. We're trying to make it energy saving or sustainability is very much a statement for this building. So the south-facing facade of this building, we actually make it the whole facade as an energy reporting screen, so that it have seven columns there, and then every single column represents a day, and then we're trying to use this column to show how much energy we actually consume on that particular day. So when the people actually come into the MeixiLake development, everyone can see this building. We're trying to make it a statement how much energy we can save, and just trying to demonstrate the sustainability idea to the public, really.
This building has been designed to both BREEAM, BRE's environmental method and standard, and also China 3-star. So it is actually the first building in China that's actually been designed to both standards. And there we're looking to really try and find ways and methodologies that actually bring the two standards together. So the exercise will really help BRE to really align the BREEAM international standard with China's 3-star standard. The Chinese have really set out their stall. They have what's called a 5-year plan, and they're currently into their 12th 5-year plan. And in China, the way that they develop their 5-year plan, they deliver their plan, and the premier, Li Keqiang, oversees the delivery of that. So there's a commitment right from the top hierarchy within the Chinese government. And within the 5-year plan, they've set out targets to build 240 eco-cities, 5 megacities. So there's a massive program of urbanization that's happening in China over a very concentrated period of time. So really, it's a huge challenge for China, but with that brings lots of opportunities for Chinese companies to support the local delivery and really helping China to build a local capacity. And then where there are gaps, there's opportunities for international companies to really partner with the right Chinese companies to really deliver really positive and sustainable outcomes.